On WhatsApp, we usually keep a profile photo. Most of the time we use our own photo as the profile picture. But if you want AI to generate one profile photo for you and set it as your profile photo on WhatsApp, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to set a profile photo on WhatsApp with AI. For this, there's a setting in the WhatsApp profile photo section itself. Anyway, what you need to do is open the WhatsApp application. When you open it, you'll see 3 dots at the top. Tap on those 3 dots, and here you'll see the settings option. Tap on settings. When you tap on that, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on this profile photo, and here you'll see the edit option. Tap on edit. When you tap on that, you'll see some options, and here you'll see one option called AI images. Tap on AI images. When you tap on that, you'll see the option to give a prompt. For example, I'm giving a prompt like this. After that, tap on the send button. When you tap on that, AI will generate one photo for you based on that prompt. If you have a specific type of image in mind, give maximum details, then you'll get the image you were thinking of. Now here you can see some images are generated. If you don't like any of these images and you want to regenerate, tap on this button. When you tap on that, those photos will be regenerated. Now from these, select the photo which you like. For example, I'm selecting this photo. And after that, here the effects option is there. If you want to add any effects, you can do that. Here, so many effects are available. For example, I'm selecting this effect. Now that effect has been added. After that, tap on the tick button. When you tap on that, the image will be saved. Now here you can see that image. So this way you can easily set a WhatsApp profile photo using AI. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.